Today we are going to a fair. Yes, a fair, and we are selling the straws. Check this out. This is all we have left. Do you guys remember when I was showing you earlier and I had like 2 boxes full of them because I had to reorder because the other ones weren't exactly how I wanted? Well, look at that. That is it. So obviously we've done a really good job at selling them, and I'm not gonna lie, it was not all on me. It was also on my grandparents. They are entrepreneurs as well. They're the ones who taught me how to do entrepreneurship, and it's just been really, really good. And so we're gonna go meet up with them at this fair, and we're gonna go put myself to work. So there's a couple things I wanted to talk to you guys about just right now as we're driving there. The first thing is you don't need to buy a store right away. Like the fact of, oh, I'm gonna lease a place at a mall or something like that so that way I can sell my product. You don't need that. Start out at a fair. A fair is like $100 for the weekend, $200 for the weekend, depending on how big the fair is. And you set up, and believe me, you sell a lot. And I think it's just a great opportunity to see what product works and what product doesn't work. But that's essentially it. So if you have a product and you're selling it online and you're not drop shipping, you actually own the product, go get in some fairs, check it out. And honestly, you can hire someone to run the fair for you. You don't have to be there. To think, oh, but I have to be there for the whole weekend. You honestly don't. All you gotta do is pick up a little high schooler and pay them 10 or 15 bucks an hour to work at the fair and sell the stuff. So that's my opinion. That's just how I've been doing it, and it's been working out really good. I mean, it's like weekend here $400, weekend here $200, weekend here $300. And I mean, like you see at the straws, like I'm making a profit. I'm selling them all, and I'm gonna have to restock again. And honestly, I have to figure out my website. My website's kind of a joke right now. It's a nice website. You can go check it out, strawsrus.com. But the problem is, it's not been selling as much as I hoped it would. And so I feel like that's a part of my advertising failure. I haven't been doing too great advertising, but we have to get that right. Anyways, that's all I want to really talk to you guys about. Let's go ahead and jump into this fair. I love this car. Alright, so these are my straws that I'm selling. Just a small little booth with my grandparents. And so this is the fair. I'm just kind of chilling right now. I've done okay, but not extravagant, but not bad. 100%. Use fairs to your advantage. Use online to your advantage. And on top of that, even if you have an online store and you're not selling, you're still getting validity by having that store, because now you're showing that you have like ownership in something. Like, this is serious, it's not a joke. You're not just selling candy on the side. So that's something I would definitely say to do. And those are my tips for today. We're gonna jump more into the online stuff soon because I really have to start figuring that out. So I'm getting with a mentor, and yeah, that's pretty much it right now. All right, till next time.